In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit protected cells here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a presentation with somebody else, maybe you're collaborating with someone on a specific spreadsheet, and there are some parts that you cannot edit. Now, one of the main reasons why you can't edit it would be these cells or this range is actually protected. So if I try and click on this one right here, I double-clicked on it to try and edit that part of this spreadsheet. But now it's telling me that you're trying to edit a protected cell or object. Please contact the spreadsheet owner to remove protection if you need to edit. So I'm going to click on OK, and that is just one of the many cells or ranges right here on this spreadsheet that I cannot edit. But if I go to this parts right here, if I double click on this one, I am able to edit. So let's change that to 76,000. But now we have a warning sign or a warning message that pops up saying you're trying to edit a part of this sheet that shouldn't be changed accidentally. Edit anyway, and we're just going to click on OK. So depending on the type of protected cells, there are some that you completely cannot edit at all. And there are some like these ones right here that you can edit, but it will show you a warning sign just to remind you that it's not supposed to be edited at all. And there you have it. For this one, if you wanted to have access to this, all you have to do is to send a message to that person that you're collaborating with, or what you can do is to leave a comment and tag that person to be able to give you access to edit this range. So to leave a comment, we can right-click, select comment right here, tag that person if you want to, or if you're only collaborating with just one other person, then maybe you don't have to tag them at all. There you have it. Click on comment, and here we go. So when that person does check this document or this file, then they'll be able to see that there's a comment regarding them asking you to give them access to edit a certain range on the spreadsheet. So one more time, two different types of protected cells that you might encounter. One that you can edit, but with a warning sign, like this one. Let's say it's supposed to be 100,000. You will have a pop-up message telling you that it shouldn't be changed accidentally. If you want to proceed with the editing, just click on OK. And the rest of them that you cannot access because you'll have to have permission from the owner to be able to edit that protected cell. And there you have it. That's how to edit protected cells here in Google Sheets. If you still need extra help with Sheets, I do have a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.